Stay cozy outdoors with the best heated camping chairs, designed to combine warmth, comfort, and durability. Perfect for chilly nights or cold weather adventures, these chairs feature adjustable heating zones, ergonomic designs, and portability. Discover top picks for ultimate relaxation and convenience. Number 1. Ever-Advance Folding Heated Camping Chair. The Ever-Advance Folding Heated Camping Chair combines comfort, portability, and innovative features to enhance your outdoor experience. With USB-powered heating technology, battery not included, it offers 3 heat levels: high, 131 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and low, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring warmth for your back and seat during chilly outings. The heating system is easy to operate and adds a cozy touch to camping, sporting events, or backyard activities. Its ergonomic design boasts a large seat area and a high back with ample padding, providing exceptional comfort for extended use. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 400 pounds, while the lightweight 9 pounds build ensures easy portability. Setting up at 22-inch LX 24.5 WX 43H and folding down compactly to 8 LX 8.5 WX 41H, it's highly convenient for storage and transportation. Adjustable armrests enhance comfort, and the versatile design suits various outdoor settings, from barbecues to soccer games. The chair's thoughtful construction makes it a must-have for anyone seeking durability, warmth, and convenience in one package. Number 2. Portal Heated Camping Chairs for Adults. The Portal Heated Camping Chair for Adults is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts, offering warmth, comfort, and convenience in a well-designed package. Its built-in heating system provides 3 temperature levels: 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 104 degrees Fahrenheit for the seat and back, heating up in just 8 seconds. Whether camping or enjoying a soccer game, this chair keeps you cozy in cold weather, USB battery not included. With a 26-inch high back and durable polyester fabric, this chair ensures excellent support for your shoulders and back, allowing extended comfort. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 400 pounds, while the 23-inch wide seat accommodates various body types. Hard armrests and a high seat make it easy to sit down and stand up, perfect for added flexibility during outdoor activities. Portable and easy to fold, the chair fits into its carrying bag or can be carried using the shoulder strap for quick transport. Thoughtful extras like a rotatable cup holder and a 3-layered side pocket keep essentials close at hand. Durable and versatile, the Portal Heated Camping Chair is a must-have for comfort-focused adventurers. Number 3. Sunnyfeel Oversized Heated Camping Chair. The Sunnyfeel Oversized Heated Camping Chair is a standout for outdoor comfort, combining advanced heating technology with robust construction. With USB-powered heating, battery not included, the chair quickly warms your seat up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for outdoor sports, beach trips, or picnics. Just plug in a USB power bank, and you're set for hours of cozy relaxation. Designed to last, the chair boasts a sturdy steel frame with an impressive 500 pounds weight capacity. Its double-seam 600x 300D Oxford cloth and 3D mesh padding ensure durability, breathability, and comfort. At 9.4 pounds, it's both heavy-duty and portable. Setup is a breeze, simply unfold the frame, and you're ready to enjoy. Its oversized, moon-rounded design offers ample space, while the fully padded armrests, high back, and seat deliver supreme comfort. When folded, its compact size, 39.4 by 8.7 by 8.7 inches saves storage space. Versatile and easy to carry, this chair is perfect for camping, tailgating, fishing, or backyard lounging. If you're looking for durability, warmth, and relaxation, the Sunnyfeel Heated Camping Chair is a must-have. Number 4. Docusvect Heated Camping Chair for Adults. The Docusvect Heated Camping Chair for Adults is the ultimate companion for outdoor comfort, offering warmth, support, and convenience. Its dual heating zones target both your back and seat, unlike many chairs that heat only one area. With 3 adjustable heat settings, 131 degrees Fahrenheit, 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, this chair ensures customizable warmth to keep you cozy during camping trips, tailgating, or other outdoor adventures. It works with any USB battery pack, battery not included, for added versatility. Comfort is paramount, with fully padded back and seat cushions made of soft, supportive fabric. The extra-large hard armrests add ergonomic support, reducing fatigue and enhancing relaxation. Its smart design includes a cup holder, multiple side pockets for small items, and a spacious back pocket for larger belongings or the included travel bag. Built for durability, the sturdy steel frame with X-shape supports accommodates up to 300 pounds. The tear-resistant premium fabric ensures long-lasting performance, even with frequent outdoor use. At just £10 and featuring a double-strap travel bag, the chair is lightweight, portable, and easy to carry. The Docusvect heated camping chair is a perfect blend of comfort, durability, and practicality. Number 5. Slsy heated camping chair. The Slsy heated camping chair redefines outdoor comfort with its thoughtful design and advanced features. Equipped with dual heating zones and 3 adjustable levels, this chair offers personalized warmth for both your back and hips. The dual control buttons make it easy to set the temperature to your liking, making it perfect for chilly outdoor adventures, USB battery pack not included. Comfort takes center stage, with high-density foam padding and a fully cushioned seat, providing excellent support and a cozy seating experience. Its compact, foldable design and included storage bag make it easy to carry, whether heading to a campsite, picnic, or sports event. This heated chair isn't just a seasonal essential, it's a year-round gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Ideal for winter camping, fall bonfires, or even relaxing on your patio, it ensures added luxury in cooler weather. Durability is a priority, with a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 500 pounds. From its reliable construction to versatile functionality, the Slsy heated camping chair is an excellent companion for all your outdoor adventures.